everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. And today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance pickups of the year, the 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor. Ford has stepped up once again with a truck that blends aggressive styling, serious off-road engineering, and modern tech in a package that's built to dominate rough terrain while still feeling refined on everyday roads. The 2026 model brings updates across the board, and whether you're into rugged design, high-output performance, or smart interior features, this truck has something to get excited about. So let's break down everything you need to know about this new Ranger Raptor. The first thing you'll notice is the design, and Ford has clearly pushed the Raptor identity even further. The wide stance, bold fender flares, and signature Raptor grille give the truck a muscular presence that instantly tells you it's ready for action. The LED headlights have a sharper shape this year, adding a futuristic touch to its rugged face. The hood has deeper contours, not just for looks, but also to improve airflow. The high ground clearance, chunky all-terrain tires, and reinforced skid plates make it obvious that this is not just a regular pickup dressed up to look tough. It's built with purpose. Even from the rear, the twin exhaust outlets and redesigned taillights reinforce the athletic look. Under the hood, the 2026 Ranger Raptor continues to prioritize performance. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged engine that delivers strong acceleration and responsive torque whether you're on sand, rock, mud, or pavement. The advanced suspension system, tuned by Ford Performance, allows the truck to glide over obstacles that would hold back most other pickups. With adaptive Fox shocks, the ride stays controlled even during high-speed off-road runs. Ford has also refined the steering and braking systems, giving you more confidence when pushing the truck to its limits. Whether you're exploring trails or cruising on the highway, the Ranger Raptor delivers a balance of strength and smoothness that feels impressive for a mid-size pickup. Inside the 2026 model, Ford has focused on comfort and technology. The cabin features premium materials, supportive sport seats, and a layout that blends ruggedness with modern convenience. The large touchscreen in the center supports wireless connectivity, navigation, and a range of off-road tools. The digital driver display is crisp and customizable, giving you real-time performance data and vehicle stats. Even the small details, like the textured trim, new steering wheel design, and ambient lighting options, help create an environment that feels both tough and upscale. Passengers get generous space, and the sound insulation has been improved to keep the cabin quieter during long drives. What really makes the 2026 Ranger Raptor stand out are its unique features. From customizable off-road drive modes to advanced trail cameras, the truck is packed with tools that help drivers tackle almost any environment. The new exhaust tuning lets you switch between quiet and aggressive sound profiles. There are enhanced safety systems, wireless over-the-air updates, and smarter traction management that adapts to changing conditions. Overall, this truck brings power, personality, and practicality together in a way that feels distinctly Raptor. An outro like thanks for watching.